In today's experiment, we are going to check the study of 4-bit magnitude comparator, and the IC required is 7485, in which we are comparing the two inputs A and B, and it is having the three outputs, that is A is greater than B, A equal to B, A is less than B. So these are the cascading inputs you can check, that is A is less than B, A equal to B, and A is greater than B. So you can check the pin number 3, it is connected to VCC, and 2 and 4, these are shorted and connected to the ground. Why this is so? If you check this truth table, in that you can check, first we are comparing the MSB bit A3 and B3, either it may be less than or greater than. The third case is what? If A3 and B3 both are equal, we are checking for the next bit, that is we are checking the A2 bit. Then it is having the two cases, that is A2 it is greater than or less than B. These are the two cases. Third case is what? If A2 it is equal to the B2. In the same fashion, if we are checking up to this level, that is if all the bits are equal, then at that time these cascading inputs, this comes into the function, and A equal to B, we have to connect it to the 1. And other remaining input, cascading inputs, A it is greater than B, A less than B, both are at the 0 value. That's why we are connecting A equal to B to the VCC and 2 and 4 to the ground. So let us perform this practical, that is the 4-bit magnitude comparator. So you can check the pin number 16, as this is the 8-pin IC, though you have to keep the notch always upward side. So pin number 16, it is your VCC. Pin number 8, you can check, this is the pin number 8 to the ground. If this is 8, this one 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 it is connected to the VCC. Next step, we are doing these connections, that is the cascading input. As from this table you can check A equal to B, that is pin number 3, you have to connect it to the VCC over here. Short the pin number 2 and the 4 and connect it to the ground, 2 and 4 and connect it to the ground. Then these are the all connections for the cascading input. So let us do the inputs. So A0 bit, it is connected to the pin number 10, 8, 9, 10. Pin number A1, it is connected to the pin number 12, 9, 10, 11 and 12. A2, it is connected to pin number 13, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this is 13. And A3 pin, you have to connect it to the pin number 15, this is 16 and this one is 15. Second, let us take the B connections, B operand, this is B0, you have to connect it to the pin number 9. B1, you have to connect it to the 11. This B operand I am showing by using the red wires over here, 8, 9, 10 and the 11 is the B1. B2, it is pin number 14, this is 16, 15 and 14. B1, which is connecting to the pin number 1, B3, this is the one. So these are the operands, A operand which is shown in the black wire, B which is shown in the red wire, and you have to take the outputs. So you can check 6 number, it is having the output which is equal to A equal to B. Next, pin number 5, that is you are having A, it is greater than B, and pin number 7 you are having, that is the A, it is less than B.
Start.
So you can check, as the A and B operand both the are 0 0, you can check A equal to B value you are having over here. You can check, this is showing the A equal to B. This we are having the pin number 7, this is the A is less than B. Suppose we are keeping this one, as we are having B, we are applying the 0 0 1, that means 1, and here the A operand we are keeping the 0, that is A is less than this B. Suppose if we are applying 1 0 0, that is we are applying A bit, सभी आउटपुट कैसे दिख पा रहा है, the output for this connection, here we are having the A operand 0 and B 0, that means A equal to B and A equal to B, that means we are having this output A equal to B, it is showing. Suppose B, if it is greater than A, this we are showing that output which is available at pin number 7, we are having A, it is less than B. Suppose if I am putting the B value as the 1 0 0 and B as the 001, you can check this bit, it is greater, so it is showing that output. Suppose if applying 1001, so B it is greater than 1. A, if we are applying the 9, that is 1001, so again we are having the equal to value. If I keep all the value 1 1, it will show the value A equal to B. This is the 4-bit magnitude comparator. The logic you have to remember for this is pin number 3 you have to connect it to the VCC, and pin number 2 and 4 you have to connect it to the ground. So all this is about the study of 4-bit magnitude comparator.